guys. Prepare lang natin yung lunch ni Danny Boy. Hello! Good morning! Morning pa! Wala pang 12. I'm gonna eat lunch habang tulog pa si Ayla, guys. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Today pala, magpapagupit ako ng short. Hindi ko alam kung gano'n ka-short. Siguro mga ganito. Yung maikli talaga. Yung maikli talaga. Kainin natin yung leftover natin from kahapon. Pasta na fettuccine carbonara. So, initin ko lang yan, guys. Masarap yan. Usually kasi kapag nag-order kami nito, share kami ni Dan. Pero kahapon, hindi kami nag-share. Gusto niya ng iba. So, nag-order siya ng iba niyang meal. And, yeah, obviously, hindi ko naubos. So, tinake away ko siya for today. And masarap to. See? Okay na okay pa for another meal. Oh, ang dami pang natira. Malaki kasi yung serving nila. Well, para sa akin, malaki yung serving. Well, malaki talaga. Kasi usually, nagsishare kami na Dan. Yeah, malaki yung serving nila dun. Kain tayo, guys. May cheese ba tayo? Wala na tayong cheese. Okay, that's fine. It's alright.
But that was a disgusting she did.
I know.
It was. Just an explosion, just too much?
Yeah, no, maybe her positioning, she was pooing while sitting down, you know, and it just went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because her nappy wasn't like full, but...
Because she was that opening her nappy when she was maybe on the side a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know. All good.
All good. Yeah, well, I'm going to be back in the office. I'm leaving it for about an hour and a bit. Actually, a bit more paperwork today. I think I'll be home around 4:30 or so.
Okay, yep.
Yep.
All good.
Cool. All right, my love. I'll see you later.
See you, I love you, bye.
Love you too, more.
Bye. Naiwan niya yung kanyang lunch. Tingnan niyo tong taong to. Hindi niya dito naiwan niya dun sa shurak, palabas ng bahay. Kawawa naman siya. Guys, nakapag-marinate ako ng pang-pork adobo. So, ano lang yan? Pork belly. Tapos nilagyan ko ng soy sauce at saka garlic. Yun lang. Tatakpan ko yan. Mamaya natin yan lulutuin. Hello! You're awake! Are you happy? Hello, my love! How was your nap? That was really long! Sobrang haba ng nap mo, Ayla. Ang dami kong natapos. Good job, Ailing. High five, B. High five, B. High five, Mommy, B. Such a good baby, oy. Very good talaga yung baby ko. Ayan na nga. Gusto na makipaglaro. Hindi pa yan gutom eh. Gusto niya lang mag-playtime. Na? Playtime, no? Playtime na tayo, Mami. Sobrang dami kong natapos. Nakapag-edit ako. Nakapag-marinate ako for dinner. Good job naman yung aking princess. Okay, laro tayo. Laro tayo, my love. Gusto mo ng playtime, ha? Mami will give you a playtime. Of course. Playtime ba ka mo, Ailing? Do you want playtime? Do you want playtime, my princess? Say hi, guys. Good afternoon. Yeah. And neck. And the belly. And the belly again. I want the belly. How about the legs? And the big legs. And the killy. And the other killy. And face. I love you. Hoy. Hoy, Ayla. Ayla. Look at me. Ayla. 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 Burp. Upo ka na? Oops! Oops! Ah! Oops! Oops! Balancing din pa minsan. Balancing. Like this, Balancing like this! Balancing like this! Oh! Balancing! Oops! Oh! Okay, sandig lang kay mami. Okay, good girl. Good job. Sandig. Good job, my love. Sandig lang kay mami. Okay. Sandig lang gamay. Ay, naku, Ayla. Ay, ambot lang yun ni Ayla. Sige, barog yun. Allah, sige. Ayla. Okay, sandig gamay. Sandig ginagmay, mami. Okay, lingkod. Upo konti. Pagod na ba ang tuhod? Upo konti. No? Sandig. Sandal kay mami lang. Yeah. Upo na ba? Sige, good. Sige. Okay, upo na. Okay. Pagod na ang tuhod. Alright. Pahinga. Upo. Good girl. Ito yung book mo. Yan. Yeah. May mga playtime siguro tayo ng mga 1 oras siguro. Before, antukin na naman to. 1 to 2 oras. Depende sa mood niya. Baka matagal-tagal kasi kanina. Ang haba talaga ng nap niya. Tapos kanina, natulog siya nang hindi ko siya kinarga. Natulog lang siya dito. Kaya lang, nandito ako sa kanya. Ina-assist ko lang siya ba na matulog siya ng kanya. Para inuunti-unti ko siyang sinasanay na hindi ko siya kinakarga. Pero nandito pa din ako. Nakatulog siya. Kahapon din, nagawa ko siya ng 2 beses. 4 na beses siya nagnap kahapon. 2 beses, kinarga ko siya para matulog. Yung 2 beses, nakahiga lang siya dito. Tapos nandito lang ako. Yung advice sa amin ng sleep consultant is, wag mo nang masyadong i-focus na ilagay siya sa cot. Ito yung advice lang naman niya sa amin. Kasi case-to-case basis naman to. Based sa assessment niya kay Ayla, sabi niya, since sobrang okay yung tulog niya sa bed, hayaan na lang muna siya sa bed. Yung i-learn muna natin ngayon is mapatulog siya nang siya lang mag-isa sa bed. Tapos, kapag nakuha na niya yun, na natutulog siya, na siya lang mag-isa, hindi na niya kailangan ng assistance, doon na natin siya pag-aralin na matulog sa cot. At least, alam na niya matulog mag-isa, yung ano na lang, yung ipapractice niya na lang, by the time na ilalagay na natin siya sa cot, is yung magustuhan niya, yung cot. Kasi ngayon, gustong-gusto niya sa bed talaga eh. Kapag nilagay ko siya sa bed, ang haba ng naps niya. Alam mo yun? Nung nag-shopping nga kami ni Lai at saka ni Manay nung linggo, dito ko siya nilagay sa bed. Kaya sobrang haba ng nap niya nun. Diba? Nakapag-shopping tayo. So yeah, yun yung sabi ng sleep consultant. Kung saan siya komportable talaga matulog, doon na muna. Who's that? Is that mommy? And then this is baby Ayla? Is that baby Ayla right there? Guys, magluto na tayo ng adobo. Ilang oras na tong nagmamarinate. Maaga pa, kaya lang gusto kong kumain before ako magpagupit tonight. So, lutuin natin siya. And matagal to maluto kasi gusto ko sobrang lambot ng ating adobos. Pork adobo to. Nagustuhan ko kasi yung last na luto ko. And gusto ko magluto ulit. Pero this time, puro pork belly para mabilis lang kainin. Tagal matapos kainin ng buto-buto. And wala na din akong buto-buto. Mas madali hanapin yung pork belly kaysa buto-buto dito. Pero yan. Lambot ng pork belly. Masarap yung adobo na pork belly. Yung may taba-taba konti. Kaya, mers. Lagyan ko lang to ng konting oil. And then, lagyan na natin yung ating marinated pork. Maliit yung pagkahiwa ko ng pork. Hayaan ko na lang muna yan dyan na mag-brown. Mamaya na natin yan dagdagan ng tubig. Nagsisimula na siyang mag-dry ng konti, guys. Mamaya ko na siya lalagyan ng tubig kapag nag-dry na talaga siya. Yan ko lang ulit siya dyan. Takpan. Naka-low heat na yan. Kakarating lang ni Dan. Sabi niya, film me.
Film me. And then a hero comes along.
Rice? What is it?
With the strength to carry on.
Is it it?
It is. It is. Serious.
Where did you get it, babe?
Open.
Is it what I'm thinking?
Maybe.
Are you serious?
And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on.
Guys!
For all the husbands out there, this is how you make your Filipino wife happy. Get her crab legs.
Oh my gosh, where did you find it?
Secret.
Guys, ang tagal ko na to.
That's for me, that one.
Oh, this is for you? What is it?
I just got myself prawns.
Prawns?
I figure you have the crab legs one
yes.
night. I was thinking maybe tomorrow night.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, thank you, Mama. Did you go to a fish shop?
I did.
Aw, thank you, babe. Look at this. I got my crab legs. You're the best.
I know.
You're the best. Thank you so much. Are you a vlogger?
I am.
Where did you find it? Where did you find it?
Grand Junction Road.
Oh, okay. So you went there?
I drove past it and then I went, ooh, I'll see if they got it.
Ooh. Do they always have this? Did you ask?
I didn't ask.
You didn't ask?
Where do you think they're from?
Alaska. Is this Alaskan king crab?
They are, but they're from Chile.
Ah,
Yeah,
Chile.
yeah. But they are Alaskan king crab thing, but they're from Chile.
Okay.
So they're called, but they're from Chile.
Oh my gosh, thank you naman.
That's alright. Put it in the fridge so it doesn't get ruined.
Tagal ko na ito hinahanap. We went to Woolies one time, long time ago, before our McLarenville holiday. And it was close to our holiday. So sabi ko kay Dan, hala, crab legs kasi hindi ako nakakakita
And
ng
what did I
crab
say?
legs lagi. Sabi ko Dan, no, you're not gonna eat that. We're going on a holiday. So sabi ko talaga, okay, lakala ka pala yun. And every time pupunta kami ng shop, sabi ko, see, tignan mo, sana binili ko yun, sana nilagay ko yun sa freezer. At tagal-tagal na nun, guys. And he got me it, finally. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, babe.
We'll have it tomorrow.
Ah, it's so good.
Yeah, just put it in the fridge. Don't have to freeze
I
it.
thought you were hiding flowers.
Boring.
Right? Thank you, my love. Yay! Pumuputok-putok, guys. Si Dana nag-take over.
Work hard at work and come home and still working.
Ikaw yung inagawan ako ng luwag.
I was gonna eat my lunch. I haven't eaten all day.
Okay, sige na, eat na. That's fine,
That's
yeah. Pinalagay ko sa kanya yung
Oh, this one?
tubig. Yes, that's all good.
Okay.
Kasi pumuputok siya nung inopen ko para halo ko sana. Pumuputok ko, sabi ni Dan, ako na nga. Nagagalit siya kapag mga ganito kasi lagi ako na papasok kapag mga ganito do. Pero yeah, pinalagay ko sa kanya yung tubig. Ang dami tuloy. Yan guys, nilagyan ko lang ng laurel, whole peppercorn, tapos nag-crush din ako ng pepper, and then nilagyan ko din siya ng asukal at saka vinegar. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung ating adobo. Nagmamantika na, oh. Sarap-sarap na. Okay na to. Ano na siya, very, very low heat. Gusto ko siya ma-reduce ng konting-konti lang naman. Pero tinikman ko na masarap na. Okay na yung lasa. Pero hayaan ko muna yan dyan. Saglit lang. Ang sarap, oh. Tapos ang lambot-lambot. Gusto ko nang kumain, kaya lang ang aga pa. Ang aga ko nagluto kasi magpapagupit ako mamaya. Gabi. Yung yung appointment ko. 7:45. Babe!
Yeah.
What time are we leaving?
Just after 7.
Just after 7? Yeah, 5:30 pa guys. Kain na ako eh. Tapos kain ulit mamayang gabi. Hello, Ayla! What are you doing? Are you chilling with Daddy?
Cheers.
Kakagising niya lang from her long nap. Good nap, wasn't it, princess?
That's right.
Yeah. What are you doing?
She's just watching some TV.
You chilling with Daddy?
She loves the TV.
And Mommy's gonna have her haircut, princess.
You look fresh.
How short do you want it to be?
Short.
Like how short? Like Ayla short? Whoa.
Very short. Just hair.
It's just hair, I know. Alright.
You gotta go short, don't you?
Yeah, I want to go short. But I'm not sure about that short.
Okay.
We'll see.
Are we gonna shower before we go, or?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah. Well, let's feed her at 6:30. Shower after that.
Bath time! She's excited.
Feed
You excited for bath time?
bath time?
Yeah. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Naghiwalay na talaga yung oil at saka yung pinaka-sarsa ba. Yummers, kain tayo guys. Tikman natin. You wanna try?
I already have.
Oh, you have?
It's good. It's good.
Naka-display lang kasi to dun kasi nagluto pa ako ng rice. Naunahan pa ako ni Danda. Ah, yummers.
You can't see Ada in the background, though.
Oh, lambot.
It's good.
Very tender.
Yeah.
Wait lang, Daddy. Oh my gosh, ang lambot, ang sarap. Okay, kain tayo. Yung nakasanayan ko kasi lutuin, chicken adobo. Pero pork adobo, masarap din guys. Ang lambot-lambot. Ay, grabe oh. Sobrang dali lang lutuin. Tapos walang mga complicated na mga sahog ba. Yum. Gabi na guys! Doon na naman ako magpapagupit sa lagi kong pinupuntahan. Mr. Morris, yung may-ari, is yung best friend ng kambal ni Dan. Now, ayoko sana pumunta doon kasi every time pumunta ako doon, hindi ako pinapabayad. Kasi parang merong trabaho na ginawa si Dan para doon sa best friend ng kambal niya. Tapos, syempre, kasi best friend ng kambal niya, tapos kaibigan din sila, hindi nag-charge si Dan sa serbisyo niya. Serbisyo talaga. Tapos ako naman, kapag nagpapagupit, hindi ako pinapabayad. Inahihiya ako kasi ako naman yun. Kung si Dan yung nagpagupit, yeah, okay lang. Pero kung ako kasi, nahihiya ako. So, tumawag ako actually sa isang salon na malapit dito. Kaya lang, yung yung availability nila, may pa, ang tagal pa. Gusto ko nang magpagupit talaga guys kasi yung buhok ko naglalaglagan na talaga sila. Sobrang dami ko na talaga buhok na nakikita sa shower, sa bed. Especially kasi lahat ng beddings na ginagamit namin ngayon puti. And kitang-kita ko talaga lahat sa mga damit ni Ayla. Kay Ayla, nakikita ko yung mga buhok ko, ang dami-dami. Nakakalungkot. Kasi ang tagal kong walang hair fall. Ang tagal kong walang hair fall. Mga before ako nabuntis, naging okay na yung buhok ko eh. Tapos nung nabuntis ako, especially, as in wala talagang hair fall guys. Ang saya-saya ng buhay niya. Kasi wala talagang hair fall. Pero yung hair fall, in-expect ko naman siya. Postpartum, alam ko na naman. In-expect ko na naman. Kaya lang nakakalungkot pa rin na tingnan na, alam mo yun, naglalaglagan yung buhok mo. Kasi ang nipis-nipis na nga ng buhok. Maglalaglagan pa sila. So, gusto ko magpagupit. And sana makatulong kahit konti. Alam ko naman na hindi siya makakatulong talaga like completely sa hair fall. Hindi siya yung magiging sagot. Kasi nga, part siya ng postpartum yung hair fall natin. Pero at least, mabawas-bawasan sana. Sana guys, ano mo yun? Kaya late yung appointment ko kasi ano na to, in-insert lang ako ba? Kasi busy din naman yung schedule nila doon. Tumawag si Dan. Kailan ba tumawag si Dan? Nung Friday ata? Nung Friday? Wala naman sana akong problema. Gusto ko sana dun lang sa mga tabi-tabi na salon. Ayaw naman ni Dan. Ano lang naman yung akin. Hindi naman siya like, hala, magpapastyle talaga ng bongga. Papagupit lang talaga ng short. Napakasimpleng gupit lang. Mas straight lang. Sabi niya, wag daw pumunta sa basta-basta na salon. Kasi mag-book na sana ako dun sa salon na, sa mall na malapit dito sa amin kung saan ako nagpapagawa ng nails. Sabi niya, di ba walang tao dun lagi? Sabi ko, kaya nga dun ako mag-book kasi walang tao. Sabi niya, walang tao kasi baka walang nagpapagawa kasi baka hindi maganda. Mas maarte pa siya sa akin. Ready ba na? Ready? Ready? Whoa, ready for this? Whoa! Bath time! Bath time! Ang cute. Smell siya kay daddy niya. Yay, hair. Yeah, we gotta clean the hair. Ala, sige, Pati Jude! Pati Jude, Ayla! Is Daddy being silly? Is Daddy being silly, my princess? What is Daddy doing? Is Daddy showing you some moves? Sumasayaw-sayaw si Daddy niya. Guys, malapit na mag-7. Ready na kami ni Ayla. Ready na kami. Look how fresh. Hello, guys. Do you want a bow on your hair today? Oh. No bow? You don't want a bow? Oh, okay. Si Dan, alam niyo, nasa phone na naman with Aguda. Walang katapusan. Kawawa talaga si Daddy. Do you like your suit? Bigay to guys. Salamat sa nagbigay. Bonds to na Wonder suit. Maganda to kasi meron siyang built-in mitten tapos built-in socks din na pwede mo lang i-fold ba or ilabas. Ganunin. Oh. Kung sobrang lamig talaga. Ayla. Sus, Ayla. Kitang-kita yung dalawang mong puyo. Yung dalawang mong puyo, kitang-kita. Yung dalawang mong puyo, kita-kita sa ulo mo. Ha? Ano ibig sabihin ng dalawang puyo, Ailing? Sus, Ayla. Ang ulo, ay, duha kalimpo. Man akong baby. Uy, duha yan na kalimpo. Batang gala man ikaw eh. Batang gagala, uy. Naka-ano lang ako guys, naka long sleeve, tapos jeans, kasi malamig na. Ulululo. Agoy, wait, sa.
Just call me back. I've been waiting 48 hours for a call back.
Okay, no worries about Walter. I'll be sending them an email right now.
How are you, my love?
I'm fine. They never return your calls. They can't fix anything. They have a book with a Agoda. It's a nightmare. When do we leave? We leave,
Next week.
yeah, 1 week from now.
1 week from now, yeah. Thursday.
Still haven't got our booking confirmed.
Yeah.
All correct. Oh well. I keep on pushing it. That's all I can do.
Ayla. You're right there, my love. You okay there, princess? She's so cute. Antok na yan. Matutulog na yan maya-maya lang. Ayan, oh. Dito na kami, guys. Mr. Morris. So, do you want me to go in or go with you? Okay. Yeah, check if she's there. Oh my gosh, they're busy. I'm not sure. Check. Do you like it, babe? You want it short?
You look younger. Your hair was too raggedy before.
Ruggedy. Do you recognize mommy? She's not even looking at me. See?
So much going on.
Yeah. This is what she loves, the noise, all the noise. I know.
Looks really good.
It's hair. Ew, girl. No, this is the shortest I've been. Look at my hair. It's really full.
Yeah, looks good though.
Isla, she still hasn't looked at me. Isla, hey. Hello. Hello.
What happened, Mommy?
Who is it? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Guys, it's very short.
I like it. You look fresh. You look younger.
Gustong-gusto ni Dan.
You look good.
Sobrang ikli, di ba?
You'll get used to it. Then you'll like it. It's a bit of a shock, but you'll get used to it.
Lumula ako dahil sa drops, but
Like, put on a bikini now and show 'em what you look like in a bikini for Hampton Island.
bikini.
You look fresher and more rejuvenated. You do. I told Raz her hair was looking all raggedy, and it was. So that looks good.
It's
Yeah, you look
short.
Yeah, it look good.
Yeah.
And I look good with like nicer clothes.
Nicer clothes. He's so mean. Grabe ka ikli yung aking vlog. Guys, close ko na tong vlog. Gabi na guys. Napatulog ko na si Ayla. Madilim na dun, so kailangan ko lumabas para mag-vlog. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.